Welcome to Science Simplified, where we make learning fun and exciting. Make sure you like this video, comment what you learned, subscribe, and share with a scholar. Let's jump right in. By the title, you know what we will be discussing: volcanoes. What is a volcano? Volcanoes are mountains that have an opening in earth that blurts out thick, solid substances called lava. Like a chimney or vent, it connects magma from within Earth's crust to the surface. The liquid rock is called magma when it is under Earth's surface, and lava after it erupts. So, what causes a volcano to erupt? The molten rock stored in the magma chamber rises as it travels up. Gases expand and water produces steam, creating pressure. When the pressure can no longer be contained, the volcano erupts. So, where are most volcanoes found? Most volcanoes are found in the Ring of Fire around the Pacific Ocean. Some volcanoes are found in the ocean floor and even under ice. Some are located in Iceland, mainly near divergent and convergent boundaries, which we discussed in the earthquake video. If you haven't already watched that, do so immediately. What are the scientists called that study volcanoes? Volcanologists study volcanoes. Are you still there? We're done. It's time to review. Where do most volcanoes occur? Comment your answer below. That is correct. You got it. Wow. You are amazing. Keep shining, scholar. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with a scholar. Until next time, I believe in you. You rock.